Hi guys, how are you? My name is One Titanium. Welcome back to Evidence-Based Economics and Investing. I am MMT. Um, let's talk about the world stock market market cap. It added another $1.6 trillion last week. Um, Another historical high of 76.9 trillion. That's 102% of GDP. Now, we've only seen this kind of move twice before. Okay, or actually three times before. This was the first one. This was the second, and this was the third. So you can count this as a 1. But this kind of move straight up like this usually is going to have some kind of pullback like it did here and it did here. Now this could be a deeper pullback because it's at all-time highs. Um, but you know, maybe I should have put more weight on price stability in the savings bubble, um, and possibly stayed in the market far longer um, than I did. Okay, now I'll pat myself on the back for going neutral instead of bearish on the market. Um, a lot of people are out there. The great unwinding. Yeah, okay, my ass. There's no great unwinding. Um, but again, learning lesson. From here on in, I'm going to have a lot more weight on price stability and savings than I have in the past. So let's get started with some analysis. This is a monthly chart. I haven't done this in about 2 weeks, so I'll just run it with you together. And I'm looking at the DXY. We have this tight drop. Okay, it's that formation that I was talking about. Let me just draw it out for you, where it kind of does. Oops, wrong thing. 1 second. So it kind of does one of these jobs and then bounces, right? So that's what we have here. It's coming straight down. If we zoom in a little bit, okay, we have a falling wedge. It's tight, 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 and then off it goes. And that's what I'm looking for in the dollar index. Now this bottom line, it's just I just put it there arbitrarily to show you the F flag. So this is a flagpole, right? And then we'll get something like this. 1, 2, 3, and then we'll look for an upside, or it would just collapse, but I doubt it at this point. Okay, I'm still looking on the long side. Now, we'll do a little charting lesson here as well. If you guys remember, we were long when it looked like this. Okay, we were long here. It dropped, bounced, we stopped out, and then we did the right thing. It has fallen since then. Okay, but that's the way you stop out. Okay, rarely do you stop out because you crossed some kind of line. Back to the long-term analysis. We had the push higher. It's consolidating in here. We will look for one more push higher, probably come to the top of the trend line, and then possibly reverse. This is not something that you go out and trade. This is just something that you're aware of. Okay. You don't trade these kind of things when I talk about them. It's just what we're looking for. If it plays out, fantastic. We catch the wave, make a lot of money. If it doesn't, oh well. Let's see what more information tells us we should do.
The great unwinding has begun. That's what I'm calling this, the great unwinding. This is the beginning of the unwinding of the Trump rally, which started back in November after the election. We have had an historic rally based on expectations of a Trump fiscal stimulus economic boom. Really, I am the only one in the whole entire world. So you could see how easy it is for me. I said it before, I could throw darts at a dartboard and make money. I also believe I'm doing a valuable service by stripping fools and morons and idiots of their money. But it's just easy. It's easy. Now, Now, some of you, I got to say this, right? Some of you, you're trying to be cute. You're trying to be smart to show everybody how smart you are. You're posting up things here, and it's really, really, I got to tell you, quite honestly, all it does is it's a display of your amateurishness, how amateur you are, right? I mean, I've been doing this for 40 years. I've been a member of 4 exchanges. I've been a floor trader. I've done it all, right? So you post up things. So really, guys, I want to tell you something. Don't, you're wasting your time. You come on here. It's better just to listen. Keep your, zip it and listen. You might learn something. All right?
Before this battle's over, the world will know that few stood against many.